Hey guys, good morning. So I usually don't make, first of all, hi, I'm Tony. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'm the sponsor, I'm my own sponsor. Go to www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. If I post the link, cool. If not, go find it and you'll be part of a super cool, super secret, private trading club. This is why I never listen. And again, this is not me, you shouldn't listen to me either, but, looking at I saw a bunch of videos essentially saying that Amazon was on a really nice bullish trend right now, right? And they think that, Amazon's going to keep running towards 120 or something. And I actually think these guys are complete, I don't want to say morons or anything, or to be mean and stuff, but I mean, Amazon is running strictly because of earnings, right? That's it. It's not running because of anything else. It's not running because anybody has some insight on anything, right? But Amazon is not on a bullish trend, bro. Amazon is on officially broken market structure, right? So you had your initial low right here, second lower high came up, you broke this trend, came down, and what you're doing right now is you're essentially retesting that high, right? That high was 109.31. And, the people got to learn how to create trends, bro, because I think that's what messes them up a lot. And people are making trends all willy-nilly, and they don't even know how a trend is supposed to be created or where it's supposed to be created. But this is how retail loses money, right? Because retail is longing the fuck out of Amazon right now because they're going to think that it's going to keep going up towards earnings, right? And they think that from earnings, it's going to keep pushing up even higher, which could happen, right? But then I don't call that strategy. I call that luck. As of right now, on this trend touch here, right? On this trend touch at 109.30, whatever it was, everybody should have shorted the fuck out of this trend or out of Amazon here, right? You should have 100% shorted. And there is no reason for anybody to not short because Amazon has a gap at 104. And obviously, if you want to short Amazon, I'd wait a little bit because why are you doing it now? We could definitely bounce back up here to maybe a 108. So if Amazon does come up here, come back to a 109, I'm going to add even more shorts to Amazon, right? But you're not in a bull trend, bro, right? You're not in a bull trend. You came down, you broke market structure, and you're retesting the underside of a trend. I would 100% take this short right here every single time. And just looking at everything right now, Amazon has been running for way too long, especially with the market continuously going up, right? I would actually 100% short Amazon here for earnings. And I would 100% think that Amazon is probably headed back to a 94, 95, 96 area, back to this support right here, right? So I would 100% taken this short at 109.3, whatever. And then I would have shorted this, held maybe about puts for a month out, or I would have just shorted this on Forex all the way down to 96. But man, you guys gotta learn your trends, bro. You gotta stop just learn to trade yourself. Don't just follow some random video like this one, right? I might be wrong, but do your research. Don't just allow videos to tell you guys what to do, right? Like I said, even my own, because I can be wrong so much, but I don't think I'm wrong on this, but still, just be careful. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Anyways, yeah, I do think Amazon's gonna shit on earnings and go back to 96. Just letting you guys know though. Bye.